Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mocha, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So we're here with a wig series. Guys, the girl said if you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. And I want to get it, okay? Synthetic wigs has been trending non-stop crazy. And I'm like, am I asleep? I think I'm that girl that's sleeping. I need to wake up. So today in our wig series, we are doing synthetic lace wig install. So I picked this wig up. It's from the Melted Hairline collection. It's a lace front wig from Outre. I decided to get a wig that complements the fall season. So the wig is KAMIYAH, and I got it in, the color says DRFF2 Cinnamon Mocha. This is the packaging. Let me get closer for you guys to see the label. So this is what we're working with today. I just want to inspect it first before I do absolutely anything. The front, it only have like 2 inches of lace, but the part in the middle part is really, really deep. Look at the hairline on this. Whoa. All products will be listed in my description box, so make sure to check that out, as well as the link to this beautiful wig, because after I install it, I know you guys gonna be like, nah, let me get that. Let me go get that. All right, guys, let's get into the video right now. Hey y'all, so this is my first time installing a synthetic wig since high school. I'm not really gonna do the ball cap. I just didn't feel like doing it. So I'm just gonna go in with a regular brown cap that matches my skin complexion and just pop that on my head. And you're just gonna use makeup to put on that lace. The thing when it comes to synthetic wigs, you know, it already comes customized and everything for you. You just have to do a little bit of customization, not so much. So that means put in makeup on the lace, fixing the part in, make sure you can put makeup in the part just to make it to look natural as possible. Although it's a synthetic wig, I feel like these wigs nowadays, it's for it to look natural. You can make it look like real natural human hair, and I'm definitely going to show you guys that throughout this process. I was even shocked, like, look at that. So I'm just using my hot comb on a low setting. I believe I had it on, it goes up to 20, and I believe I had it on 15. And I'm just hot combing that hairline back, using my wax stick, all the necessary things to make the wig look flat and natural and seamless. Like, you don't want, the thing is, you don't want people to know you have a synthetic wig on. When you tell them it's a synthetic wig, they gotta be like, girl, you're lying, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys in this video how I get the wig to look like real human hair, girl. Just sit back, relax, and just catch the drift of what I'm doing. Go ahead and glue this wig down because I just want to keep it on for a couple of days. Also, I want to really test this wig and see how it holds up without taking it off. So that's the reason why I decided to glue it down. But if you guys are interested in a glueless synthetic wig install, just let me know in the comments. The only thing about this glue, you see that white cast? I'm not feeling that, so I really have to like get rid of that. You're gonna see me trying to blow dry it. Eventually it did go away, but I didn't like that. But it is what it is. You got, it's trial and error. You just have to know how to maneuver and let things work for you. I did have to put makeup on that glue to blend it in, but it did work out at the end. this wig looks so good. Like, I was shocked. Like, this wig looks so good, and I love the texture because it's giving much natural. I even like my hair with a little bit of texture in it, not so silky. Look at that hairline. Like, everything just blended. That lace matched perfectly. Okay, I love it. I have no like complaints about this hair at all. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna let the band sit on my hairline real quick until I finish my makeup. Then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished look. I just wanted to give you guys a little insight of the wig and how I feel about it. Honestly, this hairline is goals. This hairline is definitely called the melted hairline for a reason. I definitely love the length and I love the color. I love the texture. It do not feel synthetic-ish, if that makes sense. It has like a nice texture to it. It's given pretty much natural. It has like a nice flow. When I come back, I do want to throw some curls to see if like how it will curl. As you can see, I did use the hot comb and it worked perfectly. It didn't burn or nothing. So I do want to go in and throw some curls in it to see how well it curls up. But I love the length. I'll give it like an 18-20 inch. It has like a nice chocolate auburn color. And then it has like mini highlights in between. It's definitely great for fall season. It has like light layers and it feels soft, but right now I'm rating this a 10 out of 10. As far as the glue, I didn't like that it showed up like a white cast. I did have to go in with makeup and then my wig grip spray to like blend out that white cast away. The reason why I went with this glue is because it is $11.99. This is the most affordable glue right now in the beauty supply store. However, I do want to use it again to see if that only happened because it was fresh or something. We're gonna try it again. I'm not gonna give up on them because their products are really, really good, but it holds. I only use one layer and this wiggy is on my head tight, okay? So let me finish my makeup because I know you guys want to see what the end look will be like when I finish putting everything together. So BRB. Y'all, so I just wanted to come and show you guys the end look. Because the girl said, if you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. And I'm one of the girls, I can proudly say, I get it, okay? I get it. Can you believe this is a Synthetica? Girl! Girl! What? Can you believe this is a Synthetica? This is so bomb. Like, it's crazy how wigs have evolved and it's gonna keep on evolving. I absolutely love it. I try to experiment. Mama said I was to curl it so the hair do not curl, which I just got too ahead of myself, you know? I was like, this cannot be synthetic. Like, it was just doing too much. It felt like human. It was moving like human. My laces lay like, so the hair did not curl, and then I made it kind of straight, so I kind of made a layer but kind of messed up right here, but it's not that bad, okay? But the wig is definitely cute. I would definitely recommend it. It's definitely giving fall vibes, okay? Look at this lace. I cannot believe this. Wow. This is fire. It is too fire. Absolutely love it. I love the outcome. I just love everything about this wig. Everything will be in the description box, so make sure to check that out. If you enjoy this little wig series, wig therapy, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in my next wig therapy series. Bye.